Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the HanaCure made in Seoul, Korea all-in-one facial, formulated for helping to target your skin concerns and deliver immediate visible results. It's anti-aging, clarifying, lifting, firming, brightening, contouring, pore tightening, and even skin tones. It's hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and this one is a 4-pack that comes with 4 gelling solutions that are 0.2 fluid ounces each. So there's 4 in here, and the box is about as big as my hand. And you open it up, and it says Protect Beauty, Restore Purity. It comes packed like this. I've already used one of the gelling solution that you add this looks really scientific, the lifting serum, which is 1 milliliter or 0.03 fluid ounces. And the gelling solution looks like this. It's a little packet, and it's 0.2 fluid ounces. It comes with this neat little brush. It says HanaCure on it. And the way that you're supposed to use it is that you open one of the lifting serum bottles. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't want to waste it. But you open one of the lifting serum bottles, it looks all fancy and scientific. You open one corner of it until it shows you right there, just to peel back right to there. And you put it on, you put the lifting serum into the gelling solution, close it back up, shake it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and it turns into this nice gelling solution that you use this handy dandy brush that comes with it to apply onto your face. Now, this has been a very coveted hard mask to get a hold of. I read in some beauty magazines that it took them 3 months to get a hold of this mask. My sister also has used this. Both found that it helps get rid of wrinkles, brightens your complexion, also helps with hyperpigmentation. I have some of that on my cheeks. So it's a great all-in-one mask if you want to splurge a little bit. I would say using it before a big event like a wedding or maybe a high school reunion or any sort of thing like that. If you want an extra glow, I think that's the best time to use one of these HanaCures. And let's see, I can't remember exactly how long you leave it on for. I think it's about 25 minutes. So you pair each gelling solution with the lifting serum. It's for single use only. You can use it up to 1 to 2 times a week. So you want to cleanse your skin before to make sure that you have a nice canvas, your face, to put the gelling solution on there. And yeah, it says to shake the gel for 20 seconds. And you want to relax, minimize facial movement to maximize the effects. I actually used a hair dryer on low with the heat off to help dry it a little bit faster. and it makes your face super tight, and it's kind of a funny effect. This is actually distributed by a company called Bonnie and Klaus in Los Angeles, and it's made in Seoul, Korea. Korean facial products have really broken into the US market in recent years, and I like the effects. I've noticed, actually, I used this about a week or so ago for the first time, that the hyperpigmentation on my cheeks has lightened, which is a really great side effect, or not side effect, but effect of the effectiveness of the HanaCure mask. So I would give it about 4 stars out of 5. It's a great product solution to all your skincare problems, but it helps. Like I said, it's a very neat looking kit. I love the brush. That's one of my favorite parts of the whole kit. It's nice and soft, easy to use. You don't have to take my word for it. You can check it out yourself. The HanaCure Made in Seoul, Korea all-in-one facial, anti-aging, clarifying, lifting, firming, brightening, contouring, pore tightening, and evening skin tone 4-pack. So check it out. Thanks for watching.